Myofunctional therapy is to sleep like a candle is to a power outage. Okay, so let me show you where my thought is on that. We have light bulbs, we rely on power, and that's what gets us through the day and night. Even though sometimes that, light bulb will affect our sleep, it is still something we rely on and depend on until the power goes out. Now we're rushing around the house, we're getting flashlights, but our batteries are dead. What is something so basic to a life long before the flashlight, long before the power, but the candle? Okay, so myofunctional therapy gets to the root of your sleep issues. Breath. How we breathe will affect how we get into deep stages of sleep, which then affect our hormones, our organs, our brain, and our life. Okay? It is so underappreciated until you've exhausted the power and you've exhausted the batteries, right? You've tried the night guards. You have tried the nasal strips. You have done the allergy test. You've went to the ENT. You've done everything, but you never worked on the basics of sleep, which is your breathing and your tongue position. So when you have run out of options and you are in the dark, I hope that I will be your candle and I can help you improve your sleep like the candle gave light when it was needed.